Today's video is sponsored by the Winter Olympics. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a soft glow node after. Bring a difference keyer in empty space, and connect your clip to the yellow point of the keyer. Add a time stretcher node in empty space, and connect your clip to this one also. Uncheck the keyframe button for the source time slider, right-click on it, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Right-click to the minimum slider, select expression, and type down this expression, time -5. Same goes for the maximum slider, but this time use this expression, time +5. Connect the time stretcher node to the green point of the difference keyer. Select the keyer node, and play around with the low and high slider, to adjust your mask. Once you are satisfied with the mask, bring a bitmap node in empty space, and connect the keyer node to the yellow point of the bitmap. Connect the bitmap node to the white point of the soft glow. Now you can go to the soft glow node and adjust the sliders to your liking. I always like to add some strong color to my glow, because I have a terrible taste. If you are too lazy to create your own effect, you can buy my pack and make me a billionaire.